The National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council continues its validation on the reports of casualty-related cases on the onslaught of Typhoon Lando. Joan Nano will tell us why.
Based on the latest report of the National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council or NDRRMC, 3 individuals were confirmed dead, 5 were wounded, 1 person is missing in the onslaught of Typhoon Lando in the country. One of the victims is a 14-year-old teenager who died after a tree had fallen over their house in Quezon City yesterday, while a 62-year-old female died after her head was badly hit by a collapsing wall in Zambales. Aside from the 3 fatalities and 5 wounded individuals and 1 person missing, the NDRRMC continues its validation on other reports of casualty-related cases that they have been receiving. At present, the NDRRMC has recorded more than 58,000 families who were affected by the typhoon, and almost 8,000 individuals are temporarily being lodged at the evacuation center. Aside from the more than 28 million peso worth of food and non-food items that were prepared for the victims of the typhoon, the NDRRMC has also deployed several water rescue groups, particularly in Nueva Ecija, which is one of the several provinces that have experienced severe flooding. The agency admits that there are also areas where they could not deliver relief goods because there are almost 36 roads and 18 bridges that were devastated by the typhoon. Meanwhile, residents who ignore the advisories of the local government officials are among the problems being encountered by the Department of Interior and Local Government or DILG and the NDRRMC. Although Typhoon Lando is gradually losing its strength, the NDRRMC has advised the public to wait for the advice of their local government officials if they can already return to their respective houses in order to prevent them from any accidents. This is due to the possible risk of landslides in other areas brought by rainfall in some provinces. With this, rescue and relief operations among typhoon-affected areas continue. Joan Nano reporting for Wire News.